Breastfeeding is natural, but that doesn't mean it's always easy. Many moms face challenges, but the good news is there are solutions. Today, I'll share expert tips to overcome the most common breastfeeding obstacles. Plus, I'll introduce tech tools and must-have products that can make the journey easier. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal the number one mistake moms make that can impact their breastfeeding success. Obstacle number 1. Poor latch equals pain and low milk transfer. A shallow latch can cause sore nipples and low milk intake. To fix it, ensure baby's mouth is wide open before latching. Try the nose-to-nipple trick to encourage a deep latch. Use a nipple shield if needed for temporary pain relief. Apps like LatchMe provide visual guides and lactation expert tips. Obstacle number 2. I'm not producing enough milk. Milk supply depends on demand and consistency. To fix it, nurse or pump every 2 to 3 hours to maintain supply. Eat lactation-boosting foods like oats, flax seeds, and fenugreek. Try power pumping, which involves 10 minutes of pumping, 10 minutes of rest, and repeating for 1 hour. Use Baby Tracker or Pump Log to track feeding and milk production trends. Obstacle number 3. Engorgement and clogged ducts. Swollen, painful breasts can make feeding difficult. To fix it, use warm compresses before feeding and cold packs after. Gently massage toward the nipple to clear ducts. Switch feeding positions to fully drain all areas of the breast. The Lavy Lactation Massager helps reduce clogs and improve milk flow. Obstacle number 4. Nipple pain and damage. Cracked or sore nipples can make nursing painful. To fix it, apply lanolin cream or breast milk after every session. Let nipples air dry for quick healing. Use hydrogel pads for extra comfort. Try silver nursing cups for soothing and healing cracked nipples. Obstacle number 5. Feeling nervous about public breastfeeding. Many moms feel uncomfortable nursing in public. To fix it, wear nursing-friendly clothes for easy access. Use a lightweight nursing cover if it helps you feel comfortable. Know your rights. In most places, breastfeeding in public is legally protected. Use the Mamava app to find breastfeeding-friendly locations nearby. The biggest mistake is not asking for help. Trying to do it all alone can lead to frustration and early weaning. To fix it, connect with a lactation consultant for expert guidance. Join breastfeeding support groups for encouragement. Lean on your partner and family for support. Many insurance plans cover free lactation consultant visits. What's the biggest breastfeeding challenge you've faced? Drop a comment below. Want more expert breastfeeding tips? Like this video if you found these tips helpful. Subscribe for weekly parenting and health tech content. Share this with a mom who's just starting her breastfeeding journey. Thanks for watching. Check out these videos for more breastfeeding, parenting, and tech tips, and I'll see you next time on Health and Tech TV.